Thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Time. Well, we're in a newly finished kitchen here and it looks terrific. I like the colors, I like the granite. I'm going to talk a lot about the sink. This is a typical home of Peterborough, that obviously is in need of repair and renovation. So we came in and we, Chris and Claire redesigned the entire kitchen. We did a bathroom here as well. But most of these homes originally had cabinets in this area here. Sink would have been underneath the window. And a lot of times they had a little peninsula that came out here, and then they had cabinets above. And I'm sure we've all seen those. And then you have a little sitting area over there. And there's a little bit of unused space in the rest of the kitchen. So with the redesign, it's really open now. They actually utilize the space perfectly. You can still fit in a nice size table in here. You could fit 4, 6, 8 people around it. So it's a really comfortable and very bright and spacious kitchen. The electrical, they did a lot of electrical. So as you can see, they did 2 pots above where the table is going to be. And then they did 5 in this area here. They did under cabinet lighting, and this is new, it's newer, and it's LED. So typically they used to use the fluorescent lights, and now we're doing a lot more of the LED. It's a little more expensive. They do have balusters with them, so you have to conceal or hide them somewhere. But as you can see, it gives you consistent light. Now, one thing one customer did mention to me about a year ago is you can see the LED lights. So if you have a very bright granite or quartz countertop, you can see the LED lights through the countertop. So that's one thing. If that bothers you, you want to make sure that you maybe go to the fluorescent or something else. But I like the consistency of it. So now we're going to talk about the granite countertop and the sink. So the granite countertop, I love it. It has a lot of graining through it. It has a variety of colors. I like the way it turned out. And with granite, you have to make sure you're okay with inconsistency, because a lot of times you don't know what you're going to get until it's buffed out. But as you can see, like this piece here, all the way through, it actually has a little bit of a green color to it too, but it's very dark and it's very earthy. The other thing is the sink, and this is a new Kohler sink. So as you can see, it's a huge, large single sink, and I am a huge fan. You don't really need a double sink anymore unless you don't have a dishwasher. I don't do too many dishes in my home, but we'll let that go. But the great thing about this sink quickly is it has all kinds of different options with it. So you have your strainers here, you have 2 of them, and they fit into different locations. So you can actually have it up high, or you can have it all the way at the bottom. You have a strainer here as well. I know I'm running out of time. We have basically used this for washing, put your soap in it to wash your dishes. And it also comes with a bamboo cutting board that again has 3 different settings. So really creative and really neat idea, and I'm sure it's going to be a big seller. So again, thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Time.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Andon Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.